Thinking about a Brazilian wax but worried about the discomfort? Today, we'll explore professional techniques that can help make the experience more comfortable. Welcome to this complete Brazilian waxing masterclass, where we'll cover preparation, technique, and aftercare for smoother results. Understanding how hair grows helps explain why proper preparation and technique can reduce unnecessary discomfort. Many professionals prefer hard wax for sensitive areas because it generally adheres more to the hair than the surrounding skin. Clean, dry skin helps the wax grip the hair more effectively and may reduce the need for repeated applications. Many professionals use a small amount of pre-wax oil to help protect the skin. Too much oil can reduce the wax's effectiveness. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions and test the temperature before application. The wax should feel comfortably warm, not hot. Apply the wax evenly in the direction of hair growth, leaving a small edge to make removal easier. Support the skin firmly and remove the wax quickly while staying close and parallel to the skin for a smoother removal. Many people find that exhaling during removal and applying gentle pressure afterward helps reduce discomfort. If a few hairs remain, clean tweezers are often a better choice than repeatedly waxing the same area. For the next 24 hours, avoid excessive heat, tight clothing, heavy exercise, and harsh skincare products to allow the skin to recover. Mild redness after waxing is common and often fades within several hours. If irritation is severe or persistent, seek advice from a qualified healthcare professional. With careful preparation, proper technique, and good aftercare, many people achieve smoother-looking skin with minimal irritation. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to MTH Health for more evidence-informed beauty, wellness, and self-care education. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.